Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda Putri Dewi. I'm majoring in mathematics education at Jakarta State of University. I want to take you on an adventure exploring mathematical pattern in nature. So, stay tuned. Have you ever stopped to look around and notice all the amazing shapes and patterns we see in the world around us? Mathematics forms the building blocks of the natural world and can be seen in stunning ways. Here are a few of my favorite examples of math pattern in nature. But you can mention any other example as well. First, the Fibonacci Sequence, named for the famous mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci. This number sequence is a simple yet profound pattern. Based on Fibonacci's rabbit problem, this sequence begins with the numbers 1 and 1, and then each subsequent number is found by adding the two previous numbers. Therefore, after 1 and 1, the next number is 2, from 1 plus 1. The next number is 3, from 1 plus 2, and then 5, from 2 plus 3, and so on. What's remarkable is that the numbers in the sequence are often seen in nature. A few examples include the number of spirals in a pine cone, pineapple or seeds in a sunflower, or even the number of petals on a flower. The numbers in this sequence also form a unique shape known as a Fibonacci spiral, which again we see in nature in the form of seashells and the shape of hurricanes. Number 2. Fractals in nature. A fractal are a never-ending pattern. In other words, if you were to zoom way in or zoom way out, the same shape is seen throughout. Fractals make up many aspects of our world, include the leaf of fern, tree branches, and coastline. Number 3. Hexagons in nature. Another of nature's geometric wonders is the hexagon. A regular hexagon has 6 sides of equal length, and this shape is seen again and again in the world around us. The most common example of nature using hexagons is in the beehive. Bees build their hive using a tessellation of hexagons. But did you know that every snowflake is also in the shape of a hexagon? We also see hexagons in the bubbles that make up a rough bubble. Although we usually think of bubbles as round, when many bubbles get pushed together on the surface of water, they take the shape of a hexagon. Number 4. Concentric circles in nature. Another common shape in nature is a set of concentric circles. Concentric means the circles all share the same center but have different radius. This means the circles are all different size, one inside the other. A common example is in the ripples of a pond when something hits the surface of the water. But we also see concentric circles in the layers of an onion and the rings of tree that form as it grows and ages. If you live near woods, you might go looking for a fallen tree to count the rings, or look for an orbed spider web, which is built with nearly perfect concentric circles. There are many other examples as well. Isn't nature amazing? Can you mention another example of math in nature? That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.